Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate an AI avatar video using CapCut. So to do that, it's quite simple. Just open up your CapCut application and go to your video project. Then tap on text and introduce your text that you would like to use for your AI avatar. Then just select your text box and the AI avatar option is going to show up right here on the bottom of the screen.
Hey, how
This
are
is a
you
test
today?
text
Are you
box.
ready to create with Cap?
And here you can select from different styles of
Hey, how
AI
are you
avatars.
today?
As you
Are
can
you,
see,
hey, how are
This is
you
a
there are
today?
test.
stylized versions, user-generated versions, content for specific niches, gaming, podcast, healing, there are green screen, AI avatars, news broadcasters, and lots of other characters. If this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation.